Hi! In front of me is Sony Xperia 5 Mark V, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. Begin by going into Play Store and downloading your new defaults. As you can see, I already did that, so I can go into devices settings right away. In them, tap on Apps section, click on Default Apps, and tap on one of those options that you wish to manage. In my case, Browser app. Lastly, just click on your new downloaded one in order to apply it. And go back. So when I do that, as you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!